Why keeping a good posture is essential for your physical health. Posture refers to the position and alignment of the body while standing, sitting, or lying down. Good posture ensures that the body is properly aligned, which helps to reduce stress and strain on the muscles, joints, and ligaments. In contrast, poor posture can cause a wide range of health problems, including back pain, joint pain, headaches, and even breathing difficulties. Here, we will discuss the top reasons why keeping a good posture is essential for your physical health. 1. Prevents back pain. One of the most significant benefits of good posture is that it can help to prevent back pain. When you maintain a proper posture, the spine is in a neutral position, which means that there is minimal stress on the muscles, ligaments, and discs in the back. In contrast, poor posture, such as slouching, can cause the spine to become misaligned, which can lead to back pain over time. 2. Reduces joint pain. In addition to preventing back pain, good posture can also reduce joint pain. When you have good posture, your joints are properly aligned, which means that there is less stress on the joints. This can help to reduce the risk of developing conditions such as arthritis, which can cause chronic joint pain. 3. Improves breathing. Good posture can also help to improve breathing. When you slouch, your chest is compressed, which can make it more difficult to breathe deeply. In contrast, when you have good posture, your chest is open, which allows for deeper breathing. This can help to improve oxygen intake, which is essential for overall health and well-being. 4. Boosts energy levels. Maintaining good posture can also help to boost energy levels. When you slouch, your body has to work harder to maintain balance, which can cause fatigue and exhaustion. In contrast, when you have good posture, your body is in a more relaxed and efficient state, which can help to boost energy levels and reduce fatigue. 5. Improves digestion. Good posture can also help to improve digestion. When you slouch, your organs are compressed, which can interfere with proper digestion. In contrast, when you have good posture, your organs are properly aligned, which can help to improve digestion and reduce digestive issues such as acid reflux and constipation. 6. Enhances athletic performance. Good posture is also essential for athletic performance. When you have good posture, your body is in a more efficient and balanced state, which can help to improve performance in sports and other physical activities. In contrast, poor posture can cause imbalances and weaknesses in the body, which can hinder athletic performance. 7. Improves mood and confidence. Good posture can also improve mood and confidence. When you have good posture, your body is in a more open and confident state, which can help to improve self-esteem and reduce feelings of anxiety and depression. In contrast, poor posture can cause feelings of insecurity and low self-esteem. 8. Prevents headaches. Good posture can also help to prevent headaches. When you slouch, your neck and shoulders are under stress, which can cause tension headaches. In contrast, when you have good posture, your neck and shoulders are properly aligned, which can help to reduce tension and prevent headaches. 9. Improves circulation. Good posture can also improve circulation. When you slouch, your blood vessels are compressed, which can interfere with proper blood flow. In contrast, when you have a good posture, your blood vessels are properly aligned, which can help to improve circulation and reduce the risk of conditions such as varicose veins. In conclusion, keeping a good posture is essential for your physical health. Poor posture can lead to a variety of health problems, including back pain, headaches, and fatigue. On the other hand, good posture can help you feel more confident, improve your breathing and digestion, and even increase your lifespan.